Students, we are going to read lesson 10, and that is a poem. The poem is The Marvelous Homework and Housework Machine, and this poem is by Ken Nesbitt. Okay, and this poem is about gadgets, electronic gadgets that are very useful. What are gadgets, children? We all know refrigerator, air conditioner, washing machines, microwave, oven. Okay, so nowadays our kitchen is incomplete, a house is incomplete without without gadgets. Nowadays our kitchen is incomplete, a house is incomplete without electronic gadgets. You can say they make our life comfortable, and life is not possible without electronic gadgets, as we have become accustomed of them. And uh, so now have a look at this beautiful poem by Ken Nesbitt, and it is about the electronic gadgets that we use each and every day, how they are helpful and how they are useful in our daily life. Let us read a poem about an innovative gadget. Okay, attention all students, attention all kids. In the opening lines of the poem, the poet wants to be attentive, and he makes all students attention and all kids, children, attention. Okay, hold on to your horses, hold on to your lids, and he instructs them to hold on their horses and also hold on their lids. We have just exactly the thing that you need. And the poet further adds that he has all the exactly, that means the same thing that one needs. Whenever you weigh too much homework to read, and whenever there is homework to read or study, the marvelous homework and housework machine. You have a marvelous homework and housework machine. Will always make sure that your bedroom is clean, and it mops, or that means it cleans your bedroom. That means that electronic machine uh, that cleans our flows, that machine. It loves to write book reports 10 pages long. Then put all your toys away there where they belong. So this electronic machine, what it does? It loves to write a book report of 10 pages long. Then put all your toys away. And it also keeps the toys away, and it makes them set at the same place where they belong. This wonderful gadget will do all your maths. Gadget means machine. It is in bold letters. So have a look at the word meaning bank, children. Here it is given, gadget, a machine. Okay. This wonderful gadget will do all your math, and this wonderful amazing machine will do your mathematics homework. Then mop up your messes and go take your bath. And when you go to take your bath, it mops, that means cleans all the dirt. The marvelous homework and housework machine is truly like no other gizmo you have seen. So this marvelous, that means this indifferent machine is completely like no other gizmo you have seen. What is meaning of gizmo? That means a gadget. That means gadget, a machine. So it is like no other machine that you have seen. It hangs up your clothes on their hangers and hooks. This machine puts your clothes on the hangers and hooks. Then reads all your boring geography books. So geography, that is a monotonous or difficult subject. You can say it is boring. But this machine reads all your geography books. It brings you a pillow to give you a rest. It also gives a pillow to take you rest. Then brushes your teeth and prepares for your test. And this gadget or machine also brushes your teeth. It cleans your teeth and prepares for your test. and makes you ready for the coming test. In the concluding lines of the poem, have a look here. This thing is amazing. I am sure you'll agree. It feeds you dessert. What is dessert? That is something sweet that we take after the food. Okay? It feeds you dessert while you are watching TV. So, this thing is amazing. This machine, this electronic gadget is amazing. That means it is a different. It is an amazing. That means surprising. It is an amazing machine. I am sure you will agree. And the poet also says that we all will agree. It feeds you dessert. It provides you, it gives you to eat dessert. That means something sweet while you are watching TV. When you are watching your TV. There's only one thing this device will not do. And the one thing that this device means machine. This machine will not do, and that is it won't eat your Brussels sprouts. They are like PO. That means it will not eat the Brussels sprouts. Come look at the word meaning back. Brussels sprout. That means a vegetable. Okay. This machine will not eat the vegetables. They are like PO, because PO, that means awful smell. That means dirty smell. It won't eat your Brussels sprouts. They are like PO. This machine will not eat your vegetables. And this is the only task, this is the work this device will not do. That means this machine will not do. It won't eat your Brussels sprout. That means it will never eat the vegetables. Okay? They are like PO because they are of dirty smell. Okay? So this was the poem by Can Nesbitt. Okay? So students, just write 8 lines of the poem in your English literature copy and do all the question answers that have been given to you and learn it and read it properly. Okay? So this was all about this beautiful poem, The Marvelous Homework and Housework Machine.